There we have a 10-ton Omega jack, a floor jack, and it appears to be slightly used, but it's in good condition. It doesn't slip, there's no leaks out of the cylinder or anything like that. And I'm just going to show you that it lifted up the entire side of my 91 Nissan truck. Pretty cool. Good time to do a tire rotation, but we're not going to do that right now. In any case, we're going to let the let it drop down here to show you that so there you have it. 10-ton Omega jack. Now we thank you for looking at our product.